Use the table below to calculate f of g of -3 plus g of f of 1. All right, let's do this guy first. Okay, f of g of -3. Do the inside part first, the g of -3. All right, so let me see. When x is -3, g is going to be 1. So when x is -3, g is going to be 1. So now I need to find f of g of -3 is 1, f of 1. So when x is 1, we get 4. So this becomes 4, so u become 4. And I'm adding g of f of 1, and I'll write it out like that, g of f of 1, which I just found out what f of 1 is. So when x is 1, f of 1 is 4. So now I need to find g of 4. When x is 4, g is 0. So g of 4 is 0. My job is simply to add these two values. 4 plus 0 is 4. The answer is C.